Jealousy is an emotion that when we see someone doing, acting, performing something, and they get good results. Perhaps it could be praise, perhaps it could be rewards, perhaps it could be recognition. Deep down inside, we don't feel happy. We don't feel happy, and we feel unsettled, and we start seeing that person for their achievements and perhaps how it affects us. And it's not so much how that person affects us, it's about what that person did that they got what we wanted and we didn't get that affects us. So jealousy is really not about another person. It's about what someone else does, and that resurrects or brings alive or brings to the surface or brings to our attention what we didn't do or wish to do or couldn't accomplish.